All right, today's lesson 7-8 is on other housing costs. We've pretty much done this lesson before back in the renting an apartment unit. However, it does come up again with houses. So I wanted to touch on it again. But that is the reason why this note sheet is so short. It's only one page, pretty simple. We've done it before, so we're just going to touch on it again, and that'll be it for today. So one of the biggest other housing costs is utility costs, which, reminder, some of the major utilities are electricity, gas, water, telephone bill, cell phone bill, cable TV, internet, heating. Okay. Um, but those are some of the major ones. And our example says that Sue and Paul have a combined monthly gross pay of $3,820. Were their May housing costs within the 35% guideline? Remember, this guideline says that your total expenses for the month should not exceed 35% of your monthly income. So that's what we're going to find out. And to do that, it's going to take 3 steps. Step number 1 is to find the total monthly cost, meaning we are going to add all of these numbers together. So if you type all those numbers into the calculator, add them all up, you're going to get a total of $1,234.20. Step number 2 then is to find the recommended maximum. Remember, this is a recommendation. This isn't a rule or something you have to follow. But this should say monthly pay times 35%. So we got to take our monthly pay, which is $3,820, and multiply it by the 35% as a decimal, which is 0.35. And you should get a total of $1,337. So then step 3 is to compare those two numbers, and they ask, is the total monthly cost less than the recommended maximum? Which it is. So we would say that yes, they are within the 35% guideline. Okay, and the reason for that is because 1,337 is greater than 1,234.20. It's a good thing. So then the last part, the triad section, they just say determine whether the quants in the above example would be within the 35% guideline if they had a gross pay of $3,500 and $4,000. So their total monthly cost is going to stay the same. It's still $1,234.20. But if we were to find 35% of this, so multiply this by 0.35, we would get $1,225. And if I compared that to the sum of the expenses, it is no longer greater. So for this one, we would say that no, they are not within the guideline. And that's because the 1,225 is less than the 1,234.20. We would do the same thing over here. We'd multiply the 4,000 by 0.35, and this time we'd get 1,400. So again, if we compared that to the 1,234.20, it is back to being greater. So we would say that yes, they are within the guideline. And that's because 1,400 is greater than the 1,234.20. So that's it for today. Okay, you will be getting more this coming week, so stay tuned.